Wait. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Now we are ready. We can start the vlog. Let's go. Welcome to my vlog, another vlog from the ship. Today I want to tell you about a troubleshooting that I had on the generator number 3, which was a few days ago. It is still fresh in my mind, and I was thinking I should do a vlog about it to tell you exactly the issue that I have fixed a few days ago, and this way I can give you an example of one of the jobs that electrician has to do on board. Regarding the question that I have received before, what is the electrician job on board? So this would be one of them among many others. So a few days ago, of course Sunday, because Sunday is when the important things happen. Sunday is when we are working the hardest. The third engineer observed that the priming pump of the number 3 generator, the lube oil priming pump, was not in use, was not functioning, like you see here. This was not lit, and the priming pump should be on when the generator is off. As you can see now, number 1 and number 3 are on, because number 1 generator and number 3 generator are off. Number 2 generator is on, so the pump is off. The priming pump, the lube oil priming pump of the generator, has the purpose of lubrifying the generator before you start it, so the gears are doing their proper job and they are not grinding between them, and they have the proper lubrication. That is its purpose. So the third engineer has observed that this pump is not on. He was asking what is happening, why it is not on when the generator is off. I said, I don't know, my friend, I did not touch this. It is your job. And then we went together to the panel of the priming pump, lube oil priming pump, and then we have noticed that even there it was not started. We are thinking maybe here the light was busted. When we went to the local position of the panel, we also noticed that it was not starting. We tried to start it, nothing was happening. I brought my tester, my fluke tester. I saw that the contactor of the priming pump was energized, but it was not giving signal to the pump to start. Being Sunday, I thought I will make a quick job, just change the contactor, and then Monday we will see what further issues will occur. Then the third engineer said, okay, I know it is Sunday, I don't want you to work too hard. Let's force this contactor to start, just to start the generator, and then after 2 minutes we can stop it, and we will finish this troubleshooting tomorrow on a Monday, just to have a little bit of spare time today so we can rest, because we had a very busy week. Okay, I forced the contactor to start. He started the generator, and when he came here to the main switchboard and tried to put the generator number 3 in the bus bar, he noticed that it is not connected to the bus bar. The generator is a motor that is working as a generator. It's producing electric power through the mechanical parts of the engine. So to put it in the bus bar, we try to transfer this power here. You see what is now 440 kilowatts, for example, and we try to transfer it here to load the generator. That is how you connect it to the bus bar, so you can transfer the load and supply the other motors which are part of the main switchboard and across the engine room. And when he tried to put it in the bus bar, it was not connecting to the bus bar. Okay, then we started wondering, okay, we have to fix this because this is a very big issue. We cannot wait even until the next day. So we decided to investigate. I searched on the manual, and then I noticed on the speed switch, this is the speed switch, and this is the speed switch in the actual location. You see it here. Through an electronic signal, the speed switch should show the RPM of the generator. So even though the generator was in use, the speed switch was showing 0. Okay, then I checked further in the manual, and then I saw that the speed switch is connected to the pulse sensor, and I saw that this pulse sensor is connected on the generator near the gear wheel. So I knew that there is a problem there, and the issue was fixable in 2 minutes, but we did not know. This was a new problem for us. We have not encountered this problem before, so it took us about an hour and something instead of 2 minutes. I noticed that the pulse sensor that is near the gear wheel was not at the distance recommended by the maker, Daihatsu. This is a Daihatsu generator. So I took a caliper, and according to the manual from the maker, they are saying that the pulse sensor should be about 2 millimeters away from the gear wheel, and it was much further than that. This was maybe because of vibration. Maybe somebody touched it by mistake when they were doing maintenance around the generator, because it's sticking out from the generator, and if you are not careful or you don't know what that is, you can touch it by mistake and move its position. And also because of the vibration, most likely the screws were not tightened enough. So after we tightened the sensor there, after measuring with the caliper, we put it at 2 millimeters distance from the gear wheel. Then we started the generator, and it was going in the bus bar like it should, no other issue. And after that, we have noticed that when we stopped it, we noticed that the priming pump, the lube oil priming pump of the generator, was starting by itself also. So this was something that we found in the manual as well. The lube oil priming pump of the generator is connected through a relay through the pulse sensor to the speed switch. This was something new even for me after so many years being an electrician on board. I did not know about this, and this is something that I have learned, and this was also a lesson for me. You can never be an expert, and you can never know everything. There is always something new that you can learn about in your particular field of work. So, but the third engineer should have known about this. He should have given me advice at least from where to start, but I didn't say anything. I searched through the manual. Like I said in the beginning, it took us about 1 hour and something, and this is a 2-minute job. But everything that is new and you don't know about, you're thinking that is difficult, like everything in life, yeah? When you don't know how to do anything, you are thinking that it's the most difficult thing to do. But when you know how to do it, you say, this is easy. But we were lucky that this troubleshooting happened in Anchorage, because it would be a big issue if you had this problem during river transit, or when you are trying to berth the vessel, or during cargo operation. This would be a big problem, and you will have a lot of problems with the chief engineer and the company. Nobody can wait 1 hour and something to fix this problem. Everybody wants like this. In the snap of a fingers, they want this to be fixed. So regarding this, we were lucky that happened in the anchorage. We had plenty of time, but the chief engineer insisted that we fix it in that day because we were expecting the next day to berth in the port. I am very proud that I fixed that issue. In the meantime, I have learned something new. Now, if this issue happens, I know exactly where to go and how to fix it. And in a 2 minutes span of time, I will fix this problem and it will not be any issue anymore. This is one of the problems that the electrician has to fix on board. I have received this question on my channel from the other viewers. What is the electrician doing there? So this would be one of the jobs that he has to do. Find this troubleshooting regarding the generator. I hope it has helped you. I hope you liked it. Like it if you like it. Share it to your friends. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you on my channel next time. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.